Yo, yo, yo. CPA Strength here, back with another video. This one is really gonna help you out, I'm telling you. This is, I used to be a meth head, now I'm a certified public accountant. 14 years ago, I was homeless on meth. I was in a mental institution that I actually never let me out of, really. I just ran away and they had to let me outside. So homeless, mental institution, smoked meth. 14 years later, I'm a certified public accountant. I have my own business. I exercise every day. I mean, I'm covering myself up today because it's cold here in South Florida. But I'm jacked. Okay, I got a nice body, I make money, I got a YouTube channel, I got a business, I'm a certified public accountant. I don't really say all these things to brag, although I have been practicing my self-confidence and I am getting there, so yeah, I am kind of proud of myself. I just say I have all this now. 14 years ago, I was addicted to methamphetamine, homeless, you know, couch to couch, sleeping in washer and dryer rooms, just ended up in a mental hospital. Some of my friends, I don't even know what they said, but I was hanging out with a friend and then he was a non-meth smoking user. Bless your heart, Kenny. And then I think he was talking to my girlfriend and I ended up in a mental hospital, and then the next thing I know, I woke up in some padded room and I was pissed off, and then they came in with a bunch of Thorazine and hit me up. I was like, ugh. So I was speaking Spanish because I don't know why when I get really messed up, I speak Spanish. It is really bad. 14 years. Basically, I just want to let you know that, you know, if you found your way across this video and you're like, dude, I'm the worst of the worst. Yeah, I mean, I've been there. And time. They say time heals all wounds. I mean, time's the passing. Because now, okay, 14 years ago, I say I'm a meth addict. They say, of course you are. Look at you. 10 years ago, I used to be a meth addict. Well, yeah, really? Okay. 5 years ago, I used to be a meth addict. Seriously? I don't know about that. Now, I used to be a meth addict. People, I don't know. It's like I almost have a hard time believing myself I was now. It's like, I mean, I'm one of the 500,000 CPAs in America. I mean, I have a successful YouTube channel. I'm hitting all my goals. I just want you to know that you can do it. If you're wondering, fuck, because I know when I was going through my addiction, there was no YouTube. There was, I guess, there was the internet. It was coming around, 2002, 2003. Yeah, there was, I forget what I would do on the internet a lot, but I want to tell you, you stumble across me right now and you're wondering, can I make it? Yes, you can. One of my favorite is TD Jakes, that you gotta run to your future. Run to your future. I mean, I don't really have the thing to tell you how you're gonna find the strength to stop or want, but I can tell you that it's possible. I'm living proof that it's possible. Now, meth was just my main drug. I've done heroin, all the opiates I could ever find. I don't know. I don't really know how I stopped, and I can't really articulate. I just guess I just wanted to. Basically, I wanted to prove everybody wrong because no one believed me, but I believe in you. So if you want to stop, you can stop. And get some time under your belt. And then one thing I want to say, that one day is fine. One day is awesome. The first day is the hardest day. This is CPA Strength. This is put some time between your addiction and things can change. I'm living proof of it. Anyways, I'm out. Till tomorrow. Deuces.